Tired of getting rejected by Tapmob? Let's unlock the secrets to getting your account approved, finally. First, head over to Tapmob's website. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any potential scams. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, usually located prominently on the homepage. Next, meticulously fill out the registration form. Use accurate and truthful information, especially regarding your name, contact details, and website or app URL. Pay close attention to the details. Here's a crucial tip: showcase a high-quality app. Tapmob wants to partner with developers who have professional and user-friendly apps. Make sure your app is well-designed, bug-free, and adheres to App Store guidelines. Don't forget a comprehensive privacy policy. This is non-negotiable. Your privacy policy should clearly outline how you collect, use, and protect user data. It needs to be easily accessible from within your app and website. Provide clear and accessible contact information. Include a valid email address, a physical address, and preferably a phone number on your website. This builds trust and demonstrates legitimacy. Finally, be proactive and follow up. If you haven't heard back within a reasonable time frame, send a polite email to Tapmob inquiring about the status of your application. This shows your eagerness and professionalism. Follow these steps, and you'll significantly increase your chances of getting your Tapmob account approved. Now go get that revenue.